Hi everyone, welcome back sa aking channel na GTR Math Tutorial. So for today's video, we will discuss another civil service exam word problem. So number 15. The ratio of the age of a man and his wife is 4:3. After 4 years, this ratio will be 9:7. If the ratio at the time of the marriage was 5:3, then how many years ago they were married? So choices 5, 8, 10, 12, and 15. Okay, so try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solusyon. Okay, so let's start. So ang question nga pala nanggaling sa Civil Service Exam 2024 na FB group. Okay, so yan, diyan ko nakita yung question na ito. Okay, so sagutan na natin. So pag age problem, ang madaling technique kapag age problem ay gumagawa ako ng table. So ayan, yung given natin man tsaka wife. Ang ratio daw nila ay 4:3. Okay, so ito yung present age nila. Okay, so lagay lang natin dito sa table natin yung wife tsaka man. Or unahin natin yung man kasi sabi the ratio of the age of man and his wife. Okay? So mauuna dapat ang man and then ang kanyang wife. So ang present age nila, so present age nila ay nasa ratio na 4:3. So pag sinabing 4:3, may nakamultiply dyan na number. Okay? So ibig sabihin, 4:3, so maglagay tayo ng variable na yun nga yung nakamultiply dito sa dalawang number na to, same number. So pwedeng x ang gawin natin. So therefore, ang present age nila ay 4x and 3x. Okay? And then sabi dito, after 4 years. After 4 years, this ratio will be 9:7. Okay, so ito yung future, so ito yung present natin. So yung future or ito yung plus 4 years ito. So sabi kasi after 4 years. So syempre, kung ang present nila ay 4x and 3x, so ang future nila after 4 years ay magiging 4x plus 4. Okay? So dahil after 4 years ang sabi. And then si wife naman ay magiging 3x plus 4 din. And then gawin natin yung equation natin. So ang sabi, ito daw sa future, 4x plus 4 and 3x plus 4, magiging daw siyang 9:7. Okay? So therefore, ang first equation natin ay magiging, kunin lang natin yung ratio nito, 4x plus 4 over 3x plus 4 ay magiging equal daw siya sa 9:7. Okay? So from 4:3, after 4 years, magiging 9:7 siya. So ito na yung magiging equation natin. Yan, 9/7. So this will be our equation number 1. So dito sa equation na to, pwede na nating masolve dito ang x. Okay? And then after natin masolve ang x, sabi dito, if the ratio at the time of the marriage was 5:3. Okay? So dito naman yung present, future, ito yung past, ito yung hinahanap natin. Ang magiging ratio daw nila ay 5:3. Then how many years ago they were married? So bago natin i-solve itong past nila, i-solve muna natin yung present na ages nila kasi masosolve na natin yon gamit itong equation number 1 natin kasi one unknown lang to, parehas x lang yung unknown natin. So pwede natin i-solve ito, i-cross multiply lang natin. Okay, so cross multiply lang natin yan, masosolve na natin yan. So 4x plus 4 times 7. So we have 7 times 4x plus 4 equal. So itong 9, i-multiply natin dito. So we have 9 times 3x plus 4. Okay, so distribute lang natin. So 7 times 4x. So we have 28x. 7 times positive 4. So we have positive 28 equals. Distribute din natin to 9 times 3x. So we have 27x. And then 9 times positive 4. We have positive 36. Pagsamahin natin yung x and then yung constant sa kabilang side. So mas malaki itong 28x. So ilipat natin itong 27x sa kabilang side at the same time itong 28 naman dito sa kabilang side. So therefore we have 28x, 27 lilipat sa kabila, magiging 27x na siya. And then itong 36, kopyahin lang natin. Ang 28, pag lumipat sa kabila, magiging siyang minus 28. Then we can now solve for x. 28x minus 27x, x na lang siya. Equals 36 minus 28, that is equal to 8. So therefore, pwede na nating ma-solve yung present ages nila. I-substitute lang natin itong 8 dito sa 4x tsaka 3x. So therefore, ang present age nila, so yan, palitan ko lang ng kulay. So present age ni man ay magiging 4. Itong x ay papalitan natin ng 8. So we have 4 times 8. So magiging present age ay 32. And then si wife naman, 3 times 8 yung x. So we have 3 times 8, 24. Okay, so yan ang present age nila, pero ang hinahanap natin ay how many years ago they were married. Okay? So ilang years ago daw na married sila. So ito yung past ang hinahanap natin. Alam na natin yung present age nila, 32 and 24. So tapos, magiging 5:3 daw ang ratio nila. So if the ratio at the time of the marriage was 5:3. So since time of marriage yung hinahanap natin dito and nakalagay dito how many years ago. So itong future nag-plus tayo, ito namang past, magma-minus tayo. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung i-minus natin dahil yun nga yung hinahanap natin how many years ago. So therefore sa present age tayo, so we have 32 and 24, magma-minus tayo ng same na number. So hindi natin alam yung number na yon, kaya mag-assign tayo ng kahit anong variable. So let's say y. So 32 minus y ang age ni man before yung marriage nila at the time of marriage, and then 24 minus same variable tayo y naman equals yung wife niya. So ngayon ang magiging equation natin, ang sabi, ang ratio daw nito nung past nila ay 5:3. So ang magiging equation number 2 natin, so kunin lang natin ang ratio niyan. So we have 32 minus y over 24 minus y equals sa given na ratio na 5:3. Okay, so isolve na lang natin ang y para masagutan ang problem na to. Okay, so cross-multiply lang ulit natin. 32 minus y multiply sa 3, and then itong 24 minus y multiply dito sa 5. Okay, so we have 3 times 32 minus y equals 5. 5 times 24 minus y. So solve for y. So let's distribute. 3 times 32, that is equal to 96. 3 times negative y, so we have negative 3y equals 5 times 24. So yung technique, pag nagmumultiply ng 5, gawin lang natin itong dagdagan ng 0 yan, 240, tapos i-divide natin sa 2. So that will be 120. Okay, so yun yung shortcut para mabilis tayong mag-multiply sa 5. Okay, so dagdagan ng 0, tapos i-divide sa 2. And then we have 5 times negative y, we have negative 5y. And then solve for y, parehas negative yung 3y tsaka 5y. So para maging positive, itong negative 5y ilipat natin dito sa kabila. Para mas malaki siya, magiging positive 5y na ito. Tapos itong 96 ang ilipat natin sa kabila. Okay, so negative 5y, pag lumipat sa kabila, magiging positive 5y, negative 3y, kopyahin lang natin. Equals 120, kopyahin lang natin yan. And then yung 96 ang lumipat, so magiging negative 96. So combine lang natin ito, 5y minus 3y, that will be 2y, equals 120 minus 96, that is equal to 24. Then finally, divide both sides by 2. So therefore, 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. So therefore, ang correct answer natin ay letter D, 12 years ago. Okay? Na married na sila ng 12 years. Okay, so that's it. So I hope nagustuhan niyo explanation ko para sa age problem na ito. Thank you for watching, and kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod bang mga math reviewer para sa civil service exam. Okay, so good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.